Finding the courage to change, the emotional guidance system. My husband and I laugh sometimes because I'm very emotional. Sometimes he thinks I could use a little less emotion and a little more logic. But I've learned that I am what I am. I'm learning to like me that way. My emotions are important. My emotions act like a navigation system. They help me understand my world and my relationship with my higher power, who I call Source. When I'm connected to Source energy, I feel good. And when I've lost that connection, I feel bad. My emotions seem to be magnetic. There are positive and negative emotions, just like a magnet has positive and negative poles. The stronger the emotion, the closer I am to one of the magnetic poles. Once I understand the value of my emotional guidance system, I can learn to use it. I can use my focus of attention to program a destination. When I know what I don't want, I also know what I do want. To create something, I must start with coming into alignment with Source energy. The better I feel, the more I'm lined up with Source. If I don't feel positive emotions, then I need to reset and realign with Source. Time for a break or a nap. Creating something feels so good. When I'm feeling good, I receive hints, inspiration, and synchronicity. As long as I'm tuned into my emotional guidance system, then I'm on the path of least resistance.